是什么呢？它是真的。
And that image has three things, okay? Image which is not real.
所以这个影像呢，它就有3种情况。这个影像第一个它不是真的。
But you believe is real.
但你却相信它是真的。
And there's a name also.
而且它还有名称。
Word. The people, comes together with name.
所以呢，就像这样一个人，那他就跟他的名称呢，就是一起升起来了。
Name, meaning, image, three mixing.
也就是人，还有它所代表这个名词的意义，以及那个影像，这3个就在一起。
And that is what we call mental image. Sometimes we say mental image.
所以有的时候我们称它叫做心中的一种影像。
How many image?
那有多少个影像？
Eyes image.
眼睛的影像。
Mental image.
心的影像。
Real cup.
真正的杯子。
Three.
有3个。
Okay. Yes. Is there mic?
Before the eye organ sends the information to the eye consciousness, what is the eye organ perceiving?
Eye organ.
Yeah, before it sends the information, because it's a millisecond. So in that millisecond, before the eye consciousness perceives the object, what is the eye organ perceiving?
这意思大概就是说，在眼根把这些讯息传递给眼视的时候呢，那么眼根他看到的杯子，他看到的是感知到的是什么呢？
You mean the already sent or haven't sent yet? The meeting point? The meeting point. Oh, okay.
在眼根它就是最初的那一刻，还未把这个讯息传给眼视之前呢，那他所感知的是什么？
Nothing.
什么都没有。
Just meeting. At that time, there's not any image appear yet.
那如果只是突然的遇到境界的话，它还没有任何的影像升起。
And then right next millisecond, then image appear.
然后呢，在下一刻呢，突然一下影像是升起了。
Then the cup is gone.
但是那个杯子已经就不存在了。
Eye and cup, maybe light of cup.
那所以这个他就在问说，那他们到底哪2个碰到一起了？那么其实就是眼睛碰到了杯子的光，可以这样讲。
You can say light of cup touch your eyes. You can say that way. But in that time, I cannot see the image. The consciousness cannot see image right away.
所以你可以说是杯子的光，它就碰到你的眼睛，就会遇到你的眼睛。但那个时候呢，你的这个眼视呢是还没有看到杯子的影像的。他就问说，那这是因为有部跟经部，是不是因为他们认为说外在的对境呢，就是它是实有的？
Yes, of course.
是的。那这边还有一个问题是说，这样的分析如何运用于仁波切所教的止观禅修之中？你这个大戒切了因那了吧？你上了当完因那，你心内他们给两边看着是两度周突的度。
This is good for shamatha and good for vipassana. Why good for shamatha? Because there are 5 senses of shamatha, yeah?
所以这是对于止跟观的修持都有好处的。为什么呢？我们说止呢，它是有5根。
Form, sound, smell, taste, sensation.
也就是色、声、香、味、触的练习。
Normally, you are meditating with 5 sensory objects.
平常呢，我们都会禅修于这些5根的对境。
But you don't know who they are.
但你并不知道他们是谁。
And what they work.
然后他们怎么运作？
How they work?
如何运作？
How they work together?
他们怎么互相一起工作？
You know, I can use sound as support for my meditation, form as support for my meditation, but you don't know how it's working.
你会知道说，我运用声音来辅助我们禅修，运用色相来帮助我们禅修，但你不知道这些他们是怎么在一起有运作的。
And if you know this situation, then it's good. Then you know what is the sense consciousness, what is the mental consciousness. Then you know where you can start meditation, because meditation have to start from mental consciousness.
所以如果你知道这一些外在的情况的时候，你也能够知道什么是你的五根识，什么是你的意识。而当我们在做禅修的时候呢，也就是直接从你的意识里开始下手。
And also these are good for vipassana.
那么这也对于这个观是有好处的。
Because now we are only one step of the how to consider all the phenomena are come from our mind, yeah.
那现在我们是在先研究考虑到说这一切的现象如何是由我们的心而产生的这个层次。
Because we cannot see cup directly.
因为我们无法直接看到杯子。
Similarly, we cannot see sound directly.
所以同样的，我们也
we cannot hear.
不能直接听到声音。
First meeting point, then you perceive the sound.
所以先是会遇了，然后你才去感知到那个声音。
This is why we cannot touch the cup also.
就像我们并无法真正的直接碰到杯子。
This is why first meeting point, then you feel next time.
因为先是呢接触，然后你才会去第二步，你才会去知道。
If this is 臭豆腐,
如果这是臭豆腐的话，
you touch 臭豆腐 top of your tongue.
你用舌头去舔臭豆腐，
This doesn't have any smell.
目前它是没有什么味道的。
香香的，不是臭，香香。But when you touch,
当你这么尝的时候，
first they meet.
首先呢，这个舌头跟对镜就会遇了，
That is the cause.
那是一个因。
Then after that you will have result.
然后之后你会有一个果。
The result is you see the taste, or you can feel the touching, whatever.
所以这个结果就是你可以感受到你的接触，还有以及它的味道。
But it's very tiny.
但是它是非常非常短的，很小的，
Very small millisecond.
非常非常小的几分之几秒。
But when you feel the taste, in that time, the object is already gone.
然而，当你已经开始感觉到那个味道的时候，其实这个对境已经不在了。
That's why the cause and fruition cannot have at the same time.
也就是说，因跟果呢，它没有办法同时都有，同时发生。
And also, and this way, in the end, and this, according to this view, it feels like everything is your perception. Small, kind of like understand of everything is your perception, like that.
所以，透过这样子的一个见解呢，于是你可以知道，有一点点的能理解到，说一切都是你的感知。
This is why we had little experiment yesterday, yeah?
就像我们昨天已经有稍微解释了一些。
You can move your eyes.
你可以动你的眼睛。
This is why your perception is belong to your eyes.
于是你的感知呢，你看到的就属于你的眼睛的感知。
So when you move your eyes,
当你去这样子晃你的眼睛，
this door is moving.
比如说我这样晃，那个门也会跟着晃。
If you can see the door directly, then even you move eyes, cannot move the image.
也就是说，如果你真能直接看到门的话，即便你这样去动你的眼睛，你还是能够看到那个原本不动的那个门。
Yeah?
是不是呢？
And also the understanding of the because this morning there's a relative reality and absolute reality, yeah. Understanding of this relative reality and absolute reality is very important for emptiness practice. The Vaibhashika Standika's view of absolute reality and relative reality is very good for understand the emptiness practice.
另外可以说，有部跟经部他们对于圣义谛以及世俗谛的见解呢，是有助于我们理解到空性的。
This is why it's very good for vipassana.
因此说，这是对于观的修持是有好处的。
听你过去讲，好像说经部跟有部没有什么差别，然后它的见修行也没有什么差别。
所以当你都对吧堂。제자마와就是开发西扎有嘛这些这样说说，你那个空尼给大工具的说的开发有这个。
Tiny difference. There's tiny difference.
有很微小的差别。
For example, according to view, the Vaibhashika said everything has function. And there's 5 base, yeah. Everything has function. But Sutantika said the last one, the base of permanent, and also the third one, the base of the min duje. Yeah, the moment duje dang. Duma jeta gushi nyude ani tension ni bamares function ni bamares.
不是。所以你松巴了吧？人民对切。
松巴了呗，对，松巴了。而做什么course？那我做什么course？都没，他们也是，他们没当duma jeta gushi nyude。
所以你说第一家你看对不对
？tension ni bamares。
所以呢，他们比如说在见地上面，有部他会认为说一切都是有作用的，像昨天讲到的5部事物呢，它每一个都是有运作有作用的。可是，在经部认为呢，那么这个叫做不相应行法，还有这个无为法，最后呢，这2个它是没有作用的。
And also. What is different between the true truth of the Vaibhashika and Sutantika? The Vaibhashika said the absolute reality is the something you cannot break it down, but Sutantika said, is there any reality can have function that is absolute reality? And that was it.
你看是工作里很久一般应该不同的。
코니 던덤 군중이 체버데 자자도 마웨세나 아니 르가 따신 젠 직 무도바. 타웨 좀 무도바 타두데 던덤 지데 바당 아니 식 rum아도 고접 데 바레스. 너도 바 가르라고 그랬으나 던지 누바 차장 던덤 데 바레스. 던지 누누베 쳐담지 군접 지데 바레스.
所以说呢，至于在2谛的见解上面呢，他们也认为是不同的。有部认为说，任何呢不能够再去分析分解的事物，就是属于圣义谛；仍然能够去分析分解的事物，就是世俗谛。 而经部他们认为说，任何有作用的东西都是圣义地，任何没有作用的都是世俗地。
Okay.
臣妾米律吧，滚走。
Kita tebu me ba.
那臣妾律吧，你呢？陈堂雷滚走雷都对吧？陈堂，臣妾有作用的是圣义地。
相反，没作用的生意地，有作用的是。
臣妾米律吧，你那滚走了。
滚走了。
对，就是没有作用的是世俗地，有作用的是圣义地。
Is there any function? If there has any function, that is the absolute reality. There's no function, that's the relative reality, according to Stantika said like that.
所以经部认为说，任何事物如果它没有任何运作跟作用的话，那么它有任何运作跟作用就是属于圣义地，没有任何运作跟作用就是属于世俗地。
Okay, now we're going to stop the answer and question here.
那我们的问答就到这里。
And now I'm going to start the Chittamatar.
所以现在我要开始至唯识。
Stantika and Babashirika, these both belong to Hinayana.
那在强调呢，有部跟经部呢，他们是属于小乘的。
Above Chittamatar and Madhyamika, these both belong to Mahayana.
而唯识跟中观这两者呢，是属于大乘的。
Okay, what is the main view of the Chittamatar?
那么唯识他们主要的见地是什么呢？
They said all the phenomena are mind.
他们认为一切的现象都是心。
That's why sometimes what we said, mind only school.
所以我们称它叫做唯识，或者说唯心派。
They said there's only mind,
他们认为只有心，
nothing else.
没有别的。
That's why the table is mind,
他们认为桌子也是心，
the house is mind,
房子也是心，
people is mind,
人们也是心，
whole world is mind.
整个世界都是心。
And that's why they said mind appear as object and appear as subject.
因此他们说，这个心它显现有这个自境跟对境，也就是自他的对境。
Then, yeah, that's why everything's mind, then what is mind?
那么说，既然一切都是心的话，这心又是什么呢？
They said mind is real.
他们认为心是真实的，
Mind is existing.
心是存在的。
That's why that is the main view of Chittamatar.
那这就是整个唯识唯心他们主要的论点。
Why they said mind is real?
为什么他们说心是真实的呢？
Because they thought if there's no mind, then you cannot have karma.
因为他们认为，如果没有心的话，你就无法有业。
Then how come there's a past life and future life?
那又怎么会有过去生跟来世呢？
If there's no mind, then we're going to fall into nihilism.
如果没有心，那我们就会落入到断见。
That's why they have little fear.
所以他们有一点恐惧。
We have to accept the mind.
认为说我们必须要呢接受这个心，
We don't want to look at the mind.
我们不要去看这个心，
Leave it the mind.
是吧？
Leave it the mind. Samsharas.
就是说呢，把心放在那儿。
Then other than mind, everything is not real.
而除了心之外，一切都是真的，
Not real.
都不是真的。
That's why cup is not real.
所 所以说杯子它不是真的，
but mind is real.
但心是真的。
But the mind appears as cup.
心呢显现出一个杯子，
Then your another mind looking at cup.
然后你的另一个心呢就看着这个杯子。
That's why only mind, one mind become object, one mind become subject.
所以只有心，一个心成为了对境，一个心成为了自境。
That's why you have many minds.
所以我们就有很多的心。
If you burn this paper, you burn one mind.
如果你烧掉了这个卫生纸，你就烧掉一个心。
The Madhyamaka said something like that.
这是唯心他们讲的。
But now we are in Chittamatraya.
因为我们现在在教的是唯识，
Don't talk about these things.
所以我们就不要讲这些了。
Because this is the problem in Chittamatraya.
因为这个也是唯识它的一个问题所在。
Because then your mind become many. You have many mind then.
因为如果以这样的论点来看，你就会有很多个心。
But the Chittamatraya didn't look that part.
但是唯识呢，他们不去看这个部分。
Okay. Now, why in Chittamatraya school they said everything is mind?
那为什么在唯识派里面，他们认为什么都是心呢？
They said the outer phenomena is not truly existing.
因为他们说外在的现象不是真实的存在，
They know this.
他们知道这点，
They understand that.
他们也了解这一点。
But Vaibhashika Sutantika doesn't understand this.
但是有部跟经部呢，并没有了解这一点。
They almost understand this this meaning, but then the last minute they stop.
他们快要了解到这一点了，但是在最后一刻，他们就停下来。
Do you know why?
各位知道为什么
Do you
吗？
know how?
你知道各位知道是怎么样的吗？
害怕。
Hyper. Yeah? Good. Hyper. Yeah, right.
是的，是因为害怕。
Why? Why they have fear?
为什么他们有害怕呢？
他们可能认为说，如果它不是真实存在的话，它就没有我，没有我是很可怕的。
对吧？马就把人家打有嘛，人打没把人家写成差不多。 他是说，因为如果外在不是真实存在，就没有我，没有我是很可怕的。
就是说这样讲的话，就是自毁自终啊，为什么可以呢？
谁是自毁自终？
假如说他们自己的建立是这样的话，他们再看下去就等于自毁自终啊。
你是指有部跟经部吗？
我这去鼓吹。
对吧？人家嘛，我控制比大我对吧？所以说，让如来了，让开这个嘎巴家里把枪给丢，你这些把人控制比大我的控制对出去，我让你。
就哎。
控制比他说比先让你呢，说比大我的不对出去丢。对对，你说让控制说比大我恰当压力看这是切出去。
We said that fear means fear of falling into nihilism.
我们在这里说的恐惧是指他们害怕落入到断见。
Why you fall into nihilism? Because if you don't believe the partless particle, then they thought you will fall in nihilism.
他们认为说，如果你不相信这个无分为成的话，那么你就会落入到断见去。
Because that is the basis of all the phenomena. I mean all the all the phenomena means all dharma. we cannot find. That's not really word, yeah. Pardon? Yeah, all the functioning thing, maybe not really.
所以他认为是说呢，因为如果你不相信的话，因为这个无分为成呢，它是一切事物的基础。
Maybe you can say all the form belong to all the form category.
也就是一切色法的基础。
Because they believe two things.
因为他们相信两件事。
The essence of the form is partless particle.
第一个是色相的本质呢，就是这个无分为成。
Then essence of mind is partless instant. Part the mental how to translate?
就是说，我们心的本质呢，是叫做
partless instance of consciousness. Something like that. Pardon? Partless, yeah. Indivisible consciousness. Yeah, indivisible moment of consciousness.
那在这里说心的本质呢，就叫做呢，意识刹那无方分，无分。
And because they believe that, then they feel sad. Because they believe that, then they feel it is safe.
因为他们这么相信，所以他们觉得很安全。
Why? Then they thought, oh, now I'm not going to fall into nihilism.
因为他们有这样一个基础，他们觉得自己不会落入到断见。
That's why they have fear, then they have antidote of fear.
因此他们有这样的恐惧，于是他们也找到了对治的方法。
And this is why they can hold their lineage.
所以他们可以能够仍然持续他们的这个传承。
Okay, now you already understand the outer phenomena are impermanent, independent, and interdependent, and multiple. Meda tuma shamanje. Meda tuma shamanje.
所以现在我们会知道呢，这一切的外相呢，它是无常的，然后它是多数的，以及它是依他的，非独立的。
Yeah. Do you understand that? Yeah.
各位已经知道这一点了。
各位已经知道了吗？知道。Okay. How?
它是怎么样的呢
I have 3 introduction. I already give you 3 introduction, yeah?
那么就像早上我已经给各位了那3种的一个介绍了。
With 3 questions.
也就是用了3个问题。
I ask you 3 questions, yeah?
我问各位的3个问题。
And you all have fear to give answer.
然后你们都很害怕来给有答案。
But very easy question, but
其实是很容易的一个问题，但大家都
holding pen here.
他每个人都这样子。
But the question is very easy.
但其实问题是很简单的。
Did you see this table yesterday?
你昨天看到这张桌子了吗
And you say, No. And second question?
然后第2个问题，
Oh, 多张
有几个没就仁波切？
多张 what? 多少？
多少个？
多少？ Ke menjerum besar. To sau ke menjerum. Jawab.
在讲话。
Phong ozi yang menjerum besar. But you don't want to give answer, ya?
但你仍然不愿意给答案。
And looking each other.
然后互相看。
And what is the third question?
那第三个问题是什么？
Rumah nale. Very easy question.
非常容易的问题。
But you don't want to give the
你还是
answer.
不愿意给回答。